welcome once again to S.6 online learning platform. In today's video, we are going to explore the UACE Economics Paper 1 sample paper that was released by Uganda National Examinations Board. Whether you are a student preparing for UACE or a teacher guiding learners, this sample paper provides valuable insight into the new style of assessment and the competencies expected in the examination. As the paper appears on your screen, don't just read the questions, take time to understand the situations presented. One of the major features of the new economics examination is that it is built around real-life scenarios. Candidates are expected to apply economic principles to practical situations affecting businesses, households, industries, and the national economy rather than simply recalling definitions. Another important observation is that each scenario requires thoughtful analysis before answering. Strong candidates are those who can identify the economic issue, explain it using the correct concepts, and propose realistic solutions. This means that developing reasoning and decision-making skills is just as important as learning economic theories. Teachers will also benefit greatly from this sample paper because it demonstrates the level of application expected from learners. It can be used to guide classroom discussions, prepare practical exercises, and help students develop confidence in handling scenario-based questions. If this type of educational content is helping you, remember to subscribe to the channel. We are committed to providing sample paper discussions, revision support, examination guidance, and learning resources that will help you succeed in your studies. As we continue through the paper, notice that many questions relate economics to everyday life. Topics such as employment, production, population, business growth, competition, markets, and economic development are presented in ways that encourage learners to think like economists when solving problems. A good revision strategy is to attempt each item before checking with your teacher or discussing it with classmates. This helps you identify your strengths and weaknesses while improving your confidence in answering examination questions independently. Another lesson from this sample paper is the importance of presenting answers in a logical sequence. Candidates should explain their ideas clearly, support their arguments with economic knowledge, and relate every response to the situation provided in the question. Well-organized answers are easier for examiners to follow and often attract higher marks. As you continue following the pages on the screen, pay close attention to the wording of each task. Words such as evaluate, assess, examine, advise, and propose require different approaches. Understanding these command words can make a big difference in your final performance. If you have not yet subscribed, this is the perfect opportunity to do so. More discussions covering economics, geography, history, entrepreneurship, biology, ICT, agriculture, chemistry, and many other UACE subjects are coming soon. We are also preparing S4 paper discussions and revision notes for our O-level learners. So if you have friends or relatives in Senior 4, encourage them to subscribe as well because there will be valuable learning materials for them too. As we conclude this review, I encourage every economics student to make full use of this sample paper during revision. Practice consistently, discuss difficult concepts with your teachers, and always focus on understanding how economic principles apply to real-life situations. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, then share it with your classmates and teachers. Stay connected with S.6 online learning platform for more educational content, and I wish every UACE economics candidate success in the forthcoming examinations.